Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to dictate in Word. The first thing we will do is open our Word document. Then we will go to the File menu and then click on Options at the bottom. In the Options window that appears, click on Customize ribbon to configure it. From here, you can add or remove the charms in Word you want. In this case, we will look for the option of Dictate. We are going to go to the top of the drop-down called Choose Commands From and click on it. Among the options that it displays, choose the option of All Commands. Within the list that appears, we move and look for the option of Dictate, Office Dictation. When you locate it, click on it and click on Add to add it to the active commands. At that moment, you will see that a message appears indicating that you need a group where you are going to add that command. To solve it, we will go back to the top drop-down menu and this time click on the All Tabs option. For our case, we select the option called Voice, since within it is the dictation menu. Click on Add to add it, and you will see that this time no error is displayed. When you open the added drop-down that the Dictate option is available, you can click on the OK button so that the changes are saved. Now in your Word document, you will see that the Dictate option is available at the top right. You can click on it to start dictation. If you want to adjust its values, click on the icon you see to see different options and settings. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.